It's here.
Here. Super Ultra Mega Chicken! Yeah!
Welcome back to the Crew Yells. There's our intro.
The reason why we did it like that is because, it's because of the, whoa,
That's down. Yeah, that's down. We don't want to...
No, that was zoomed in way too much. Okay, so the reason why we did that is because of the new, because of Yami America has returned, and,
he has come with a god.
Yes. The winged dragon of Ra, so... Oh shit, my face is cut off. Okay, so...
I feel like we're one of those people who, like, come to other people's houses on the front door with a Bible going, hello, have you heard of our Lord and Savior, Jesus Christ?
Okay, so,
I feel like we're those people.
Liam, get on to yours.
Yeah, I will.
So, essentially what you gotta do, you gotta get up to Merrick level 50, battle him a ton of times, and then he'll drop the winged dragon of Ra. I've already defeated 2 of the rare hunters. The first one uses pieces of Exodia. Liam, the first one uses pieces of Exodia. The second one is Arcana, which uses Dark Magician.
Oh, does that mean we can get Arcana Dark Magician again?
Yes, you can.
Awesome. I don't have that
Lead
one.
in here.
I didn't get that one. I was like
setting up camera and I injured myself.
I think we might need to amputate.
Nah. Okay, I just gotta sign in again real quick, but
yeah, the update is coming on for me right now. So.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Ah, shit.
Oh, I have to update it.
But yeah, so let me just. Okay, so since this one's here, I believe that Slifer is gonna be for Yugi real soon. So let me just get the gods. So we got Obelisk. Slifer's at the top for me, I believe. Yep. So
it's not letting me update it.
I know. So essentially,
I'm hitting update, but it's not letting me update it.
Give it a minute.
I can't play.
So essentially, it's gonna possibly go Raw, Slifer, then Obelisk. So
yeah, because that was the order. Well, no, that wasn't the order.
No, it went Obelisk.
Yeah, it went Obelisk, Slifer, and then Raw. So they might be doing it in reverse. Yeah. So yeah, Slifer. I mean, Raw, Slifer, and then Obelisk. That might be.
Still bleeding, but
I don't know.
No need to amputate.
Wait. Yeah, I'm thinking it was what was the guy's name again? Who had Slifer before Yugi got it?
String.
Yeah, String. So String might come up next, and you might have to do him for Slifer.
I don't think
it makes sense.
No, String ain't in this one. String isn't for the Yami Merrick one, so so right now I'm just logging on because Wi-Fi's here is being a bitch.
Which is why you never use it. Honestly.
Well, hey, like this is the only way I get to play and give them entertainment too, so.
Yeah, because you don't have any data. I don't know why, but it won't let me update.
It does take a lot. Come on, connect me. Okay, so.
Okay, it won't let me hit update, but it will let me hit uninstall.
Oh wow. Try and uninstall some stuff.
Well, no, it would come up that I would have to, like, it would say, like, uninstall some of these, and then it would allow me to update it. But, like, when I hit the button for update, nothing's happening.
I know, that happened to me too.
Maybe I'll try at home.
Yeah.
I'll try at home.
Yeah, okay, so essentially what we're gonna do now is, it's coming up, so yeah, it's the Konami, so dual links connecting to,
stuff like that.
Yeah. I believe I was under the Call of Duty guy for this one.
This smells like maple syrup.
Okay,
maybe that's just the Canadian in me, but...
Yeah, okay, so I was under the Call of Duty guy one, because it does say Insane Hitman, so yeah. I'm Insane Hitman.
Are you 47?
That is actually my level in Google Play. Insane Hitman 47. I'm level 47, so...
You have to now stay at level 47 for the rest of your life.
I don't think I can go any higher.
Oh.
So, okay, so I'm just gonna give you guys... So, essentially, You're gonna see this. Just okay. So yeah. Okay. So go back here. Yeah, it's here to December 19th. So we have about 12 days. On the 12th day of Christmas.
What you love said to me.
And you have to collect like these math fragments. I'm just gonna auto duel this one because I don't really feel like doing it myself.
I'm gonna put on Christmas music.
Yeah. So yeah, it's good that they brought the god. Sorry, that was from there. Liam, can you go and grab a table? Actually, 1 minute. We should just be able to like point it down and zoom in, like. Okay.
The music will be loud enough. I'll close the door so like we can actually.
Yeah. Okay. So yeah. Okay. Just gonna give that some volume. So essentially, this ain't the deck I'll be using against Merrick.
You can turn off the sound, because I'm gonna play music here.
Okay, so yeah. Sorry about the quality. That when it's zoomed in, it's like...
We have quantity, just not quality.
Yeah, quality, yay.
We just need that.
So yeah. But yeah, she's done this turn. Since what I would have done is use the... Oh no, that's block attack, not stop defense.
Wait, click on a couple of these to get to the right one.
Okay, so now
There we go.
Liam,
Yeah?
I now have enough to face Merrick.
Oh, so you could be getting raw.
No,
So-
level 40
Oh, yeah.
Merrick.
You're on level 4. Okay. You just said face Merrick, so I assumed level 50.
Nah. What's level 10 like? There's 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. I wish last thing would hurry up.
So yeah. We got Christmas music from Michael Bublé. It's amazing. His voice is amazing.
This is the card we are gonna be getting. I don't care. I will spend money on this shit to get it. Okay. The collected mag fragments will show the whereabouts of the rare Hansis. Yami Merrick has appeared in Dual World DM. Okay, so let's look for Merrick. So he's at the main gate, like.
There he is. This is ugly face.
Okay, so okay, so. Oh my god.
They actually censored the Millennium Rod. Because it actually has a blade in the end there.
Oh yeah.
Which is how Merrick got the
Okay.
tattoos on his back.
Okay, let's read this. I was looking forward to seeing you again, you gay. Marek, how can this be? You got rid of your evil side. He actually did. Or maybe it was the other way around. No, it wasn't.
No, because he likes having that creepy face.
Huh. What? Explain yourself. No, why do I ever need to explain myself to you? You're not my mother, you're not my dad.
He killed his dad.
Yeah,
again, the censored because he killed his dad with the blade and the rod.
Meet you and annihilate you and send you plummeting into Shadow Realm. Oh my god. It's here, the Shadow Realm.
You know what would make the Shadow Realm a lot brighter? Light Yagami.
No. Did you seriously bring Death Note into this?
Yes, I did.
Okay, so we're just gonna be skipping this. Okay, connection in the shadows. Now, let's see what his level 20 victory rewards are. Revival Jam. Then you got Raw's Discipline. So that's nice. So yeah, what's Okay, Mass Beast Death Goddess. Okay, so auto duel.
We kind of could maybe move this closer.
Zoom out. Okay, so yeah. Okay. I hope Slifer's next.
I don't know why, but plastic from the 3D printer smells a lot like maple syrup.
Okay, so first panel.
I'm crazy.
Merrick versus Yugi. There was this channel game. Okay, what's the channel game? Liam, search it up.
Funny.
I guess you already have a computer logged on.
Fine.
Only. Twice. Okay. Okay, channel game. He loses 1,000 life points.
1,000? That looks like 100.
100. Oh, whenever a monster is destroyed or so.
That's what. Oh yeah, that effect is actually really good / really bad because it can affect you badly too. But it's quicker at like killing your opponent, especially if you have Coffin Seller and what's the card again? There's another card that whenever a card is sent to the
Skull
grave,
Infantation.
Skull Infantation. If you have all three, if you have Marriage Affected with those two cards on the field, you will deal a lot of damage to your opponent.
That's 6. Yeah, he just lost another 300 life point.
Oh wow, he's gonna die soon.
Because it goes 100, 200, 300, and oh my god, we defeated level 20 Merrick. Oh my god, his eyes was pulsating. Holy shit. And we never lost any life point. Wow. Oh, camera's gone foggy.
Ooh, Dark Magic Attack. I already have that card.
Yeah. I lost all my data, so 2,800 times whatever I'm gonna get. So practically, I'm looking pretty good. Yeah, we're recording on our lunch.
So, I thought, well, it's December. It's getting pretty close. It's getting pretty close to Christmas.
18 days. No, 16 practically or whatever.
And then there's 8 days till new Star Wars comes out. Yeah, I'm probably gonna see
How could this happen?
I might see that. I might be able to see the new Star Wars on opening night, so I'll try not to spoil it.
Okay, so I think I am getting above 15,000. Okay, yeah. I'm gonna try and get up to 200,000 so I can get Mary.
Whoa, who's that gold dude?
Oh, that's a card trader EX.
Oh.
You've done quite well, Benedict.
Yeah, there was a serious update.
Wait.
Wasn't on.
Oh, my Egyptian god card? Winged Dragon of Ra? Show him! Show it! Holy shit! What the
Calm yourself. I'll close the door.
Oh my god! Did you see that?
I did, because I was closing the door. Swearing and yelling at
Don't worry, you'll see it on the one. We need him to summon it. We need him to summon Raw.
You seriously gonna risk that?
Yes, I'm gonna let him summon Raw.
Other than, like, you could get Raw and then summon him.
But okay. Okay, so let me get my EX jewels. Oh my god. Ah, I bit my lip. I got too excited. Oh yeah. Missions we can do. Let me go to the EX trader. He should have some cards there for me. Rawest discipline. Okay. Oh, what's this? King Pyron.
Oh, I used to have that card.
Oh yes, I am definitely getting this. Once per turn, I can inflict 1,000 points of damage to my opponent. If I put that in my deck, and I use it against Merrick, and if he summons Raw, he can't make it too powerful. But knowing Merrick, he's gonna throw in a few life point gainers.
So yeah, that's cool.
Okay, so yeah,
I turned the music down because I thought maybe it might be a bit too loud.
yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna keep on challenging the deck I'm using. It's good for now. So
Christmas.
yeah,
Please like this video and comment on it if you like Michael Bublé and this music.
Okay, so level 30. Oh, I didn't check out his level 30 reward. Check it out, please. Please. I'm asking you nicely.
Yeah, I know.
Watch him summon Raw.
Merrick, level 30?
Yeah. Okay. I hopefully will win. Not that bad of a starting hand.
30. Rewards, correct?
Yes. Okay, so yeah. He has to throw down. No, we might. That was Raw's discipline. His face down was Raw's discipline, so yeah. I am so nervous. Are we gonna be level 30? Yes, we are!
That was really easy. If you can do it, I'm probably gonna be able to do it too. I thought they would actually make Raw
hit create
harder
on
to
the
get.
deck.
I honestly thought that they would make God harder to get than this.
All done. That's so I can't get off.
So, holy sh. Okay, so, not much. I am gonna be using Serbia's deck here soon, but.
That's
Well, I can't do it until Mr.
That's their level sub.
level. Oh yeah. Oh well, that's wrong. You said level rewards, so I typed that in.
Go to, wait, events.
Events.
Yummy Mary fan. Event kind of window. Event guys.
Level 40 mirror deck. Oh, Raw, Wind Dragon Raw, Sphere.
Sphere mode, so, okay, yeah.
That's his deck. He only has 2 spells and traps in his deck.
3. Okay,
2 spells, 2
but
traps.
what is this one for? His levels? That's his level 40 deck. So I gotta be careful and not summon 2 monsters, otherwise I'm screwed.
Yeah, because he has lava gold.
Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and challenge him at the gate yet again. So he's only there at level 10. Ah.
You have to beat him at the gate, level 10.
Yeah, I do. So
Keep on going.
Oh, but I can't auto do. That means I'll actually have to duel him myself. So can you like angle this from behind me? Sure. Make sure I'm not like in the way. Like, actually do this. Ah. Sorry, so yeah, I guess I gotta go 20 and like that. Okay, and we are gonna be going first, Liam. I actually threw in a rich. Oh, and he's using chat.
Okay.
Yes. So summon you, my Neospatian Pathfinder. Yeah. We're gonna set Metal Morph. Activate Axe of Lucky Iron Axe. Set you. And I believe if I get a monster next turn, I have a quick victory. So I'm practically.
You have 20 more minutes.
Yeah, so yeah. No. No, not yet. I almost activated my Okay, so yeah. Liam, 2-turn victory. Okay, so now we're gonna go and activate Metal Morph on my Pathfinder. Give her that extra 300 attack. Battle. 550 she'll gain, nah. So, oh, never mind, Liam. We're 100, I hate that. We were 150 off, but, oh well.
You know what would be amazing?
Well.
If you kept on beating that person until they had 1 life point left.
Actually, that actually did happen in here. In Duel Links. I got somebody down to 1 life point because of a card. Riryoku. And plus,
I believe it's pronounced Ryoku. Not Ryoku.
Shadow Game. Okay, yeah, he has 50 life points. I have Neobug now. Jolly Christmas.
It's the best time of the year.
So yeah. Die. Fucking die already, you bitch. Yeah.
Eyes gone.
Yeah.
Well, at least he still has 2.
Yeah, I know. But I'm like, seriously?
Well, that took you a second.
No, I was like, okay, so 2, and I got life point boost A. That's a neat skill to get. Might ask Connor if I could borrow this to record more. Yeah, I was like, okay. Alright, so how can I lose? Because you're an idiot. Wait. Hey, someone's. Not bad. I should grant you new opportunities for greater pain. I don't know.
He wasn't here when we got in.
Are you seriously recording Duel Links?
Yeah?
Yes.
What? The new God cards are in here.
I'm playing Christmas music, so.
So.
What do you mean? Oh, I know you couldn't. The problem is I can't because
Here it is, so.
I've never been in a wheelchair.
Never?
Yeah.
No.
Wheelchairs are fun.
They are so.
Yeah.
I would like. I
Okay,
would
so.
put myself on purpose just to be in a wheelchair.
Hey, Liam, wanna go? Want me to make sure that you.
Stop it.
Yeah, those are brakes.
Okay, so.
Is that all?
Level 20 is now here, so.
Pull them to words to lock the wheels.
Alright, why don't you move me around for lunch?
So yeah, I'm now going up against level 20, which I believe is gonna be a bit more tricky. Let's see your rewards for level 20. So yeah, you got Revival Jam, Jam Defender.
When I get home, I'll be starting that. So.
Yeah. Magical Stone. Oh, then I don't think I really use that card. I'm actually gonna ask Connor to borrow this for lunch.
I want to take the big bag.
Really?
What? I have like an hour and 20 of bullshit to do, so... Hey, an hour 20 of content. Holy. So yeah. Oh, and we're getting...
The face you get when you see the booty.
That actually...
Yeah, that's Merrick's face. We're just making fun of their victory poses there. It's just like, Merrick's...
Oh my god, look at this. Metamorph,
For Merrick, that face you make when you see the booty. Yukimoto, Junior Nazi.
Okay, so I'm gonna summon my Pathfinder and also equip her with the Lucky Iron Axe yet again. In fact, I started out with these 3 cards in the beginning, didn't I? In my last duel.
Yeah. I believe so, yeah.
Wait, what was that? Okay, 3 hidden. Okay. So I gotta be careful not to summon, because he might have Lava Golem. So I'm gonna play it safe. But also,
I mean, you know him at level 40, he has that. Plus the
but that, and I can just make him lose life points by destroying his monsters.
Yeah. You should have like 1 monster on the field, but you should also not let him get 3 of. Oh wait, no, you want him to summon Raw, right?
I'm gonna get Raw, then do that.
Yeah, okay.
So I'm gonna. So yeah, I'm equipping my Pathfinder with the Metamorph. And I think he's gonna be losing 200. Yeah, he's losing 200 life points. Then it's gonna be like 3, I believe, and I'm gonna be so happy because it goes up by 100 each time I destroy a monster of his.
I'm not hurting myself.
If only I had double summon.
Acclimatizing myself to pain.
Okay.
By accident.
Screw it. Summoning a second one.
Yeah, I mean, he has 1 monster in the field, so yeah, the quicker the better.
And it's
If he does summon Lava Golem, then deal with it.
I'll still be fine because I can attack with the Lava Golem.
And other monsters that you can summon.
Yeah. Wait, doesn't he have a summoning animation for that?
Yes, Merrick does have a summoning animation for Lava Golem.
Okay, so no.
But he also does for Raw. Some of the characters have 2 summoning animations, but some of them don't.
Okay, so I have block attack. Yeah, we're just gonna finish him off here.
Exodia does not count as a summoning animation, because that just happens no matter what.
Yeah. Well, same with Dark Magician, it happens no matter what. So yeah, I defeated level 20. Do I have enough to do level 30?
Maybe.
Yeah. So yeah. Gee. Okay, 600 coin. Whoop-de-doo. God. I want this God. God. But that was... So we've been recording for about a half hour.
Yeah.
Look at my inbox. It has like 5 items.
If you guys spend this long just watching our video through without skipping any part, bravo.
Yeah. Level 30 has appeared. I feel like I should use Serbia. But what's this level 30 deck?
30.
That's level 40.
Yeah.
We're gonna check his level 30 reward. Okay, same thing. So, but it is times 7.
Probably beat slash farm mirror part 2 level 4. That's what this is called.
Fire.
But I mean, yeah. Steps.
No, I mean I just go with my usual Serbius.
I just like beat the shit out of him as soon as I can.
Oh, yeah.
I'm not gonna risk him summoning a strong monster. I'm going.
With my Serbius, I can get him more powerful than Raw.
I'm not like some characters who like I need to beat these people in a specific way to humiliate them. And it's like, dude, if
Like
it's
I did
this
when
hard
I killed you with Scribo.
If it's this hard to kill me, just kill me. Don't take the chance that I'll pull something out my ass. Just kill them.
Okay, so I'm
No
going.
mercy. It doesn't matter if you're like about to summon a god. Just kill them.
Or be like what Yugi did in Yu-Gi-No! Just rips up the card. Oh, Ryokyu. I can use that on Raw. Have its attack.
Would that work?
Yes, it would. Because March isn't on the field.
Oh yeah, true.
I couldn't pick it up in blind.
Oh, okay.
That's why I just touched
I can't hear you. My eyes are closed.
Okay. Oh shit. This is actually, Liam, this is gonna be a bit harder than usual because now he has monsters that when are flipped. My monster. Oh. Haha. I
As
still.
long as your monster has more than 12.
Yeah, it's gonna have 3. It's gonna have 1,300. But yes, I am still stronger.
Oh, now you can't attack, so you have to sacrifice.
Yeah. And what do you think I have in my hand? Attributed monster. Normal summon. Yes.
Cameron's not a weirdo.
Should I have that monster's attack and deal him 2,400 or
No,
wait?
yeah, that would be good. That would be good. Huh?
You know what? I'm gonna wait. I'm the waiting type. Liam, I'm gonna unhook this, so can you put this away?
Okay. You can't deny it.
So I'm gonna end. Sorry about that. Okay, he summoned Raw's Discipline. So I'ma go and have his Raw's Discipline's attack. So have this. Give it to you.
I did that on Sunday.
And now battle. So
See, like, what's it called?
yeah. So there goes level 30 merit. Wow. 8 minutes. It's not impossible. How many duels have I won against Merrick?
A lot.
God. Oh, what's this card? Flashbang. Okay. He's now here for he now appears level 40 for me.
Alright, so his deck consists of the Wind Dragon Raw, the Wind Dragon Raw Sphere, Mass Beast Death Guardian, Lava Golem.
Read their effects so I can be sure.
Well, like, some of their effects you should know, right?
Yeah. Lava Golem for sure.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Dark G-Road is like, you already know his effect because
Yeah.
you experienced that. Lava Golem,
Mass Beast Death Guardian.
I like that Fender one. That's
I don't know that effect.
It really is.
This card cannot be normal summoned or set. This card cannot be special summoned except by tributing 2 monsters.
I like the ones that aren't like fixed.
Yeah, so that's why I like mine.
Yeah, like
because
Cannot
the Jazz
be
3.
special
I wanna get
summoned
a lot
except
of
by
them.
tributing 2
I don't think
monsters.
they have, like,
Oh, I mean Tiki Elder. So he needs to tribute Tiki Elder.
Or
idea.
Mitch.
No, he has to tribute at least one Tiki Elder.
But the pancake have
It has to be one of those two. If he tributes one of those 2.
I now have 20,
Hit the one pickup.
so I cannot get anything right yet. So leave a like, comment, subscribe. This is actually one of the best one. This is one of the best defense we've done. I'm gonna be farming him off screen for a bit, so
I'm gonna be doing the same.
yeah. So yeah.
And then once I get him at level 40, I'll wait. Like until like.
So leave a like, comment, subscribe for more. See ya.
Bye.